Okay, here is a video to show the steps for long division. So step 1 is to divide. I look at my 8 and I'm going to be dividing by my 3. So my equation is 8 divided by 3. I can make 3 circles and share 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 2 in each circle, so the number I have in the circle I write on the top. Now I'm done step 1. Step 2 is to multiply. I take my 2 and I multiply by my 3. 2 times 3 is 6. The number I get I write underneath. Now I'm ready for step 3, which is to subtract. I'm going to subtract 8 minus 6 and I'm left with 2. Step 4 is to check. I need to check a few things. Number 1, I check that my 6 is either the same or smaller than my 8. Next, I check that my 2 is the same number as the remainder that I have here. And the final thing I check is that my 2 is smaller than my number that I'm dividing by. If it doesn't fit those 3 criteria, then I know I've made a mistake. Step 5 is to bring down. So I'm going to bring down the 4. Now step 6 is to repeat the same steps I did. So I can pretend that this part of my equation isn't here, and I'm going to divide 24 by 3. So 24 divided by 3. Again, I can make 3 circles and share my 24 in there. I know that it's going to be 8, so there's step 1. Step 2, I need to multiply. I'm going to multiply 3 times 8, and I get 24. My 24 I write underneath. Now, step 3 is to subtract. 24 minus 24 is 0. Step 4, I need to check. I'm going to check that the number I have left over is smaller than the number that I have here. If it is not smaller, I know I made a mistake. I can write my remainder on the top, which for this one is 0. So my equation, 84 divided by 3 equals 28, remainder 0.